Let's dive deep and set the record straight on Tesla's full self-driving, FSD. This feature has been stirring up storms of controversy since day one, splitting opinions dramatically. On one side, it's hailed as the future of safe automated transport. On the other, it's seen as a perilous experiment. But regardless of where opinions fall, FSD is out there, changing the automotive world. So, let's unpack its story and see if you're team FSD or not. It all began in 2014, when Tesla decided to pave its own path into the future of driving by launching Autopilot. With basic features like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, Autopilot was just the beginning. It was ambitious, forward-thinking, and set the stage for what would eventually evolve into something even bigger. Fast forward to 2016, and Tesla took a major leap forward. They rolled out Hardware 2, a suite that promised the potential for full self-driving in the future, packed with sensors and cameras. This was more than just an upgrade, it was a transformation, setting Tesla cars up to one day drive themselves. By 2018, Tesla's FSD was more than a concept. It was a capability that cars could actually use to navigate highways and city streets semi-autonomously. Navigate on Autopilot arrived, allowing cars to suggest and make lane changes on their own, heralding a new era of driving. But with great power comes great responsibility and great scrutiny. Each step forward was under the microscope, celebrated by some and critiqued by others. As the calendar pages turned, Tesla didn't just sit back. They pushed on, enhancing FSD with smarter, more connected features. Stop sign and traffic light recognition, automatic lane changes, and even summoning your car from a parking spot became part of Tesla's reality. These features were not just about matching what others had, but going one step beyond. With every update, Tesla edged closer to full autonomy. But this isn't just about technology. It's about changing how society views mobility. It's about ensuring safety through technology while navigating the complex web of legal and ethical considerations. How do we balance innovation with safety? That's the million-dollar question. Here we are in 2023, and Tesla's FSD is a blend of high-tech ambition and practical application. It's capable of impressive feats, but still requires the driver's hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. It's a hands-on tool that enhances driving, not replaces it, yet. As we look to the future, Tesla continues to refine and develop FSD. The goal? To achieve true autonomy. While we're not there yet, the groundwork is laid every day, with every mile driven by a Tesla, contributing to the collective learning of their AI systems. FSD's journey from a daring idea to a nearly autonomous system shows Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what cars can do. But this road isn't just Tesla's to travel. It's a road we're all on as society, technology, and regulations evolve together. Whether you view Tesla's FSD as a tech marvel or a work in progress, it's clear it's redefining driving. Now, knowing all this, it's up to you to decide. Are you ready to embrace this future, or does the path seem too fraught with uncertainty? Share your thoughts and let's discuss.